teachers, especially Ma'am Maran, for all the patience, guidance, love, and always being there to teach us day by day. To Ma'am Mauricio, Ma'am Joanne, and to Ma'am Mariel, thank you also for teaching and taking care of my fellow completers. To our parents, Mapa, thank you for love and always being there to support and guide us every step of the way. To my classmates, schoolmates, thank you for being such amazing friends. We've had so much fun playing and learning together. Thank you to our alma mater, Salesian School.